Hello everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can fix search in Telegram if it's not working. So in order to do that, first up go to the settings and go to apps and notification and search for Telegram app. Once you have found it, click on it and at the button left you can see for stop sign. Click on it and go on a storage option, and there you can see case, clear case. And once it's done, go to the permissions and enable all the permissions. Once you have done it, enable unrestricted data uses. Once you have done it, go to the Play Store app and search Telegram and see if it is available for update or not. If it is available for update, click on the update option and update it. Now go to Telegram, and once you are on the Telegram, in the search bar you can search any movies or music or anything you like. So this is how easily you can fix Telegram search if it's not working. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.